Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a 2019 Harris float boat, 250 Grand Mariner. This is one of Harris's luxury, top of the line pontoons that they make. This one is a tri-toon as well. All the vinyl on this is the cool touch surfaces, which give you in direct sunlight up to 20 degrees cooler, so you're not going to burn yourself when you sit down. You've got huge lounges both on the front and the rear of this boat, lots of cup holders built in, LED lighting everywhere, a removable table with cutouts to hold wine glasses even. On the floor, we even got in-floor storage that opens up down into one of the pontoons. Coming around, we got a fold-up changing station. And if you see all the rails here, these are all finished in a black powder coating trim. This one on the floor plan layout here is a center walk-through dual helm, which means you've got captain's chairs both on port and starboard. And with the upgraded chairs, you've got a bolster to give you a little boost up in case you need to get a little better view of your oncoming. Up at the helm, we've got full SIMRAD touchscreen chart plotter as well as fusion radio and speakers throughout. Electronic throttle controls your 300 horsepower Mercury Verado, which is one of the quietest and least vibration engines out there on the market today. Moving back, we've got, again, more sun loungers facing rearward on both sides. More cup holders again everywhere you look. On the aft deck, we've got two nice seats to face rearward if you're towing a skier or just want to get a different view. On the port side, we've got a cool collapsible swim deck here, which it can also be used for diving. It deploys below the waterline. And then on the other side, we've got a more traditional telescoping swim ladder. If you guys have any questions on this boat or any other boats that you see here, give me a call. My cell phone number is listed below. Call, text, email anytime. And as you can see, we've got lots of different variations of this Harris float boat, all the way up to a twin engine tri-toon model down at the end.